Hello everyone, Sam here from myforexmagicweb.com. I'm making this a small video about New Zealand dollar index. A few days ago, I made a video about the euro dollar index and the trades, all the trades involving euro, all the pairs and the trades. Here you will see that I have this New Zealand dollar index weekly chart, made this like a Gertley pattern, harmonic pattern, right? X, A, B, C, D. And I said from here, it's going to go up. Doing that, it will be sending GA, means pound NZD, and euro NZD down, right? So that's the chart I made, and I gave it to my subscribers, and I posted wherever I was supposed to post. And what happened to this chart so far as of yesterday was this. So we start going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks in a row. It was keep going up. And the effect of that supposed to be this, GN and EN down. So if they are going down, then I'm supposed to take short trades, right? And after I made the chart almost the end of January, so the month of February, right? And it was keep going up, and I supposed to take it. Remember the first week of February, I had my vaccine, not trading at all for the whole week, and the other week, also recovering and all that. The third week, which was the last week, got some good opportunities, back on track and start doing it. So I followed this chart, and only the last week, GN and EN. So what happened? On the 21st February, this is EN, euro NZD sell order here for 140 pip. On the 22nd, again, short for another 140 pip. On the 22nd February. Now GN, 50 pip down here on the second, short entry here. EN again, 23rd, 100 pip to the downside. GN on the 23rd, this was the first one you saw for 50, and this is for 110 short. And you can see all the entries, and SL moved to break even plus on my left hand side. All of these live trades according to the setup, nothing random. Again on the 25th, GN, beautiful setup all the way down here. Even though here it was, a little bit above the yellow, was above the black, but still, you cannot break the rule, but bending a little bit, yeah. Especially knowing that the New Zealand dollar index is powerfully going to the upside, where the heck this thing is going to go down. So that's how it is. And on the 25th, on the 28th February, I just clicked. So EN on the 28th, again short for 90 pip. And on the 28th, which was yesterday, GN from here to here, 95 pip. So you see how many pairs? Only 2 pairs, all short, based on only this chart, which was weekly New Zealand dollar index. So this is, and all the other New Zealand dollar, all the pairs involving New Zealand dollar also moved. But like I said, enough is enough, right? So GN and EN giving you such a trades, you don't need anything else. NUSI, I have NUSI USD long as well, but forget about that, because on the chart I wrote down GN and EN. So I said let me just show only these two to see what happened, because I wrote down here, right, that this is what's going to happen when this thing is going to go up. So you plan ahead and then trade your plan. Once the plan start moving in your direction, this is how it is, right? Thousands of pips between GN and EN just because of this chart. Similarly, there's another chart. Let me show you this. These are harmonic patterns, and they do work, even though they are basically Elliott wave. But I find the Elliott wave and harmonic pattern, and then whenever Wherever I find whatever, I make the chart and then I trade accordingly. Another beautiful trade, bad pattern like this one. You see that? This is bouncing from 23% line. This is my favorite line of the same fib. This is the way I trade. You saw the NZD dollar index that it was bouncing from point D after finishing the pattern. This is not finishing the pattern. In fact, this is going to finish the pattern, the last leg from C to D. This is my favorite part of trading these patterns because I'm not trading these patterns. I'm trading Elliott wave, basically. But, keeping that calculation, whatever, of these patterns, and usually they do work. So what happened here? This chart, I said either this, if this gives a bounce, it's gonna go here. If it is not gonna give the bounce, this point C, then we can drop and go here. So I'm covered. Basically, if you learn how this thing moves, you will be covered. Doesn't matter where it goes. All you got to do is find your entry. And I posted on different places that, I'll take a long above 38,000. So 38,000, this was right now is 36, 37, 860. And look, right after that, this is what happened. So far, this happened to this chart. It went and exactly hit this level here, 88.6, and finished up the bad pattern. Now, the question is, if it is coming down, I'll just simply wait and see. And then if I find a short, just like here, I found a long. Look here. See that when it was bouncing just above 38 was a long entry. Yellow is above the black, higher low, blue, red candle turns blue. This indicates all the way down. My 4 condition met. And I opened the trade and boom, it went up. It went up a lot more, but I closed here and then I had another entry. I can't find the chart. So this is how it is. You can just literally, get hundreds of pips because of these patterns. If you know exactly how to trade, especially this way, bouncing from 23% line. I have several pairs right now doing just the same, and I made the charts, but I haven't got a chance to send out. I'm just making a video. I didn't do a webinar yesterday. I was supposed to do it on Sunday. I'm just making this video. I have death in my family yesterday, so a little messed up here. But business has to go on, right? So not my family, but my sister family. So yeah, so this is how it is. And if you want to learn about these harmonic patterns, once they finish how to trade, when they are in the making, from point to C to D, bouncing from 23% line, how to trade then beautifully and for a very, very profitable way, then just go on my website and you can see this course here, Creative Harmonic Pattern course. You can go there and then get that, and then you have, it's a video course. I have several videos here explaining every single thing, the fib, how to use the fib, and different patterns, how to measure those, these patterns perfectly, and then how to make the entry, especially using the system. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week. Oh man, where do I do that?